Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today let us see how to split the contents of the cell into multiple cells. Here I have in one cell some numbers, some special characters. There are many ways to split the contents. The first simplest way is using a formula. For that you have to do is equal to mid open parenthesis. Then it is asking which text you want to extract the data from. So the cell which you want to extract the data, comma, start number. Here I can give any number. For example, here if I say I have to start from the third character, I'm giving 3, and then how many characters from there you want to extract. So I wish to take 10 characters. So, and if you drag the formula, this is the number. So this is the first and simple method. Second method is I have to split the contents based on some special characters. Select the column which you want to split and then go to data and select text to columns, and then in this you have to give delimited and give next. It will say you have to split based on semicolon, comma, space and other. Here since I am having a special character, I am giving the special character slash and then give enter. Now wherever there is a slash, that data will be split into very next columns. I wish to split with some definite lines, like in a book you want to draw a line in between, so you will have a variance. The same way, how do we do that? So select the column, go to text to columns and give fixed width and then give next and insert a line somewhere wherever you wish to. If you click once, a line will be inserted. If you double click, the line will be removed. Okay, and after inserting the line, give finish. Do you want to replace the contents? Okay, now wherever you had inserted a line, that data is split into 2. Hope this was very much helpful. Thank you so much.